Welcome to Forsage. Take a part in this successful project running on the blockchain that can generate you instant payouts in passive income directly into your Ethereum wallet. Everything is transparent for everyone. This project is safe and secure, and you can fully rely on it. In this method, everything is simple. There are no hidden and unclear details. It's easy to manage, and everyone can succeed in this, and create a powerful income stream. What is Forsage? Forsage is a transparent, fully automatic, and completely decentralized matrix program, coded by smart contract, that exists on the Ethereum blockchain network. How does Forsage Matrix work? Forsage Matrix is a closed system, without deadlines for slots, and with a limited number of places, and an unlimited number of reinvestments. In the Matrix system, the referral link is connected to the superior partner, who invited you. You always follow your superior partner, to every slot he has activated. There are two Matrix programs that exist simultaneously and work continuously, Forsage X3 and Forsage X4. They are both similar and work in the same way. Each matrix has 12 slots, which increase in multiples with unlimited re-entry options. Each slot is 2x more expensive than the previous one, and income and profit from them are twice as high. You purchase each position in the program once, and then each position automatically reinvests itself again and again. The slots have no expiration date, so they will not stop spinning. All active slots move, and bring you revenue in parallel. From each partner through you joined this project, you can receive up to 24 recurring, and ongoing payments. Forsage X3. In the Forsage X3 program, there are 3 places below you in one line. All partners in your slots from the Forsage X3 program are your personal referral partners. When you invite partners, they take their own places below you. The distribution of payments, when filing in the matrix, automatically occurs as follows. Your prime referral partner takes a place below you. A 100% payout goes to your personal wallet. The second referral partner takes the second place below you. Payment is also instantly credited to your personal wallet. The third referral partner takes the third place below you. Again, you receive 100% income, but in the form of reinvestment. Your reinvestment is transferred to your superior partner, and you take the next free place in your superior partner's slot. Forsage X4. In the Forsage X4 program, there are 2 lines below you. 2 places in the prime line, and 4 places in the second line. In parallel, Forsage X4 program also works for you, with an overflow system which is organized from above and from below. We are building a team together, so there might be partners which have been invited by you or by other partners. Those partners, that take 2 places below you in the prime line, are the 2 places in the second line of the higher line. 100% payment goes to the wallet of your superior partner. You also receive income from the second line, 100% from 4 people. 3 from these payments go directly to your wallet. The last payment is for the closing slot, and it also creates reinvestment, buying you the same slot again. The payment is transferred to your superior partner. Reinvestment. Reinvestment is reopening purchase of a slot at the current level. Reinvestment opens the same slot for you again, and you continue to receive income from it. Without reinvestment, this slot would close itself and that's it. By reopening a slot, you take the next free place in your superior partner's slot. Reinvestment takes place automatically, as soon as you occupy the last free place, and the current slot is closed and goes to the archive. You re-occupy the free space in the slot with a superior partner. A new slot with free places opens for you, and 100% payment goes to the wallet of your superior partner. Similarly, your referral partners will also reinvest, and so you will continuously receive income every time. Accordingly, 100% of your reinvestment is transferred to your superior partner. Upgrade. Upgrade is the opening, purchase, of the next slot from more expensive level. In order to upgrade, you need to purchase the next level, only once. The payment goes to your superior partner, in case he owns a slot at this level. You can upgrade to the next slot by clicking on the cart, and confirming your purchase. There is enough income from each slot, in order to reinvest a slot from the same level, and buy another slot from the next level. You decide whether to purchase the next level slot. The reinvestment of a slot is carried out automatically. If the next slot is not open for you, then from the second round after reinvestment, all payments will be redirected to your superior partner. When you buy the necessary slot, then within next reinvestment, your referral partner will take a place below you, and with each reinvestment, he will take a place below you again. Overflows, overtaking and returns. You can overtake your superior partner, by opening slots that he has not reached yet. In this case, you get up to his superior partner, or the closest one who has such a level of the slots, and the income goes to him. So if he doesn't have this slot available, then in the same way, you overtake two superiors, until the system spots a partner, who already has an active slot from this level. The referral link returns to the partners, when your superior buys this slot. And then when the next reinvestment happens, you will again take a place below him. Terms and definitions. Superior partner, a person who owns the referral link you used for registration. Referral partner, a partner registered with your referral link. Upgrade, an opening, purchase, of the next slot from more expensive level. Reinvestment, an automatic reopening, purchase, of a slot from the current level. Lost profit, a payment left to a higher partner, due to the lack of an upgrade to a more expensive slot. Extra profit, a payment received by you, at the expense of the lost profit of a lower partner. Overflow from a superior, a partner of your superior partner, who has closed a place in your slot. Overflow from a downstream, a partner of your downline, who has closed a place in your slot. Overtaking, a purchase by a lower partner, from more expensive level, which you don't have yet. Forsage is a strong and stable program, that can generate your income for many years to come. This is the time to develop your structure and create wealth. Join Forsage, build your team, create prosperity, cash flow, and economic abundance.
ఏంటండి వీడియో నచ్చిందా? అయితే ఓ లైక్ వేసుకోండి, లేదంటే ఓ కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఎప్పటికప్పుడు మా వీడియోస్ చూడాలంటే సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి.